1 teaspoon yogurt, half cupful of oil, 3 to 4 tbsp. Chili sauce, 3 to 4 tbsp, 3 to 4 chicken pieces. In a chicken, squeeze lemon juice. Add 3 to 4 tbsp of chili sauce. Now add all mentioned spices. Add 1 teaspoon of paprika powder. Now add 3 to 4 tbsp of olive oil. Now add half cup of yogurt. Marinate the chicken for 3 to 4 hours minimum. Now in a pan, add marinated chicken. Covered it with butter paper. And put lid on it. Cook it on low flame for 20 minutes. From one side, then flip the side and cook for 10 more minutes. Now dry the water completely and serve it with steamed veggies of your choice. Steamed chicken with veggies are ready. Enjoy a healthy meal in your diet